Hi, this is the text classifier that we talked about. We can see that we have in the text classification UI, you have three options. You have one, if you want to paste, we'll see an example of pasting a text and then it classifies it. And we have load from file or load from a CSV file. We'll see both options. We can see first that we pre-prepared text files. For example, here we can see a text that has parody, and we can see afterwards how the parody classifies in the text classifier. And of course, also CSV files that have, you can see here that we got prepared data set of CSV file that you can actually have some text here, and the text is now not classified. And the classifier will actually give us results, whether it's manipulation or something else, or parody, or any other type of fake news. So we'll start by loading from a file. We'll take here loading satire from, for example, and we open it, and we can see that the text classifier sees as its parody, not in that much of a good percentage, but still it provided a relevant result. We can see also advertising text here, and we can see that it gives better results because advertising is much more obvious that it's advertising. And the actual classifier does from, if we take the load CSV, we take and load the file itself, then it creates a new file. We can see a new file that has these classifications. That's a set test classified. We can see here in CSV that was the same data as was in the CSV, but we can see here the results. Okay, we can see whether it's propaganda, parody, advertising, manipulation, or fabrication with these percentages. So this provides us with this classifier. And the last option is pasting from a clipboard if we want to check news, if it's actually, we sampled, we asked from ChatGPT to create us different fake news in parody, in satire, and in everything, and we want to check it via the classifier. So as we can see here, let's see, for example, if we'll take satire that provided us from ChatGPT, and we can paste from the clipboard. Okay, and it gives us the results of satire. If we want to, actually, let's take parody, and we copy it, and then we do paste from clipboard, and it gives us good results of parody. Again, the percentages are not that high, and parody and satire, as we know, are relatively the same, so the percentages are relatively close. And propaganda is also something that should be quite obvious. So we paste it from the clipboard, and we see propaganda, and we see a higher percentage in the propaganda. You see that there's a 30% difference almost between the first one, propaganda, and advertising, the second one. So this is our text classifier, and we're currently also working to improve it even more. Thank you.